Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. For today, we are to present our project. The title is Digital Library System. We are one from EF2A from Group 3. First of all, thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us many mercies and blessings, so we can join this program with healthy and goodness. And the next slide. Before our present our project, we want to get thank you for our purpose and major project uh, from Jenny Rokyati, purpose project, and Agung Yadi as manager project. For the next project, for the next slide, before our presentation, I would like to introduce myself and to you all. My name is M.Khairil Chandra. Me as a member and Fernanda Habib Nur Afian as a leader from this project. For the next slide, the main point of a presentation for this condition, we have a background, problem formulation, objective, problem limitation, benefit, and the next slide. Theme and text division, challenge and solution, conclusion and closing for this PPT. And before our demo, the final project. And the next slide. Why our choice digital library system for the main title for this project? We have a background. The background is currently our manual system has found main problem. The main problem is like difficulty finding books due to no integrate search, manual point calculation prone to error, paper record easily lost and late return harmony other member. The tip four, we need a digital system that can manage book data, record borrowing, and return, decalculate, find automatically. The goal for this project is to improve library service and make it easier for students to access book collection. For the next slide, uh, for this project, we have a problem formulation. First is like how to record book borrowing and return automatically. The answer is the system must record every transaction without manual input error. How to manage book and the category digitally? The answer, we need a structured system to store and organize all book data efficiently. And third, how to calculate lead fine automatically. The answer, the system applies fine rules accurately and instantly. The fourth, how to display the list of available books to member. The answer, member can see ready to borrow books in the real time. How to ensure book availability and update status after being borrowed. The answer is the system immediately changes the status from available to borrowed. For the next slide, this is our project. This is our objective from the main project. The first, make it for admin to manage book and category data. Admin can manage book and category data digital and efficiently. The second is make it easy for member to see the list of available books. Member can see what the books are ready to borrow at any times. The third, record book borrowing digitally. About this project, we have every borrowing transaction is recorded automatically without manual input by If you want to go to the library, you didn't uh, borrowing with the manual. With this application, you can borrow it with digital by web. Like it can be access from yourself. Like you have access from student or admin. And the fourth, calculate let fine automatically. The answer, fine are calculated instantly according to the specified rules upon book's return. And the next slide. This is our problem limitation for our project, digital library system. We have only 4 physical books borrowing, and 2, only admin can manage boot and category data for the student is didn't. A third, fines are only for late return, not from damage or lost book. And the fourth, book borrowing and coin is not yet handled. And 5, fine payment is handled outside the system. Like you have a task or from if the books let return, you can pay your tax at the library. We didn't have a digital payment like a curious or each other. If you want to get the curious on each other payment for the test, you can go to a library for the uh, okay. For the next slide, presented by Habib. For the Habib is
Okay, this slide benefits from admin. Number 1, book data is neater and more structured. And 2, borrowing and returning is faster. And 3, automatic finish, minimize calculation error. For member, check book availability from anywhere. Easy borrowing process and recorded. And 3, view borrowing history and finish optimal. For library, more professional and faster service. Number 2, data is secure, risk of loss reduced. Number 3, track book currently being borrowed. And next slide. Team Text Division, Fernanda Habib. Contribution working on the display from the admin dashboard, booking management and active borrowings. And M.Khairil Chandra, contribution working on the display from the member dashboard, borrowing book, member history, and member finish, working on the display for the home, login, register, return, and finish page. Next slide. Challenge and solution. And challenge, difficulty understanding Laravel, MVC, route running, eloquent, and solutionnya self-study via documentation, YouTube, and practice. Challenge number 2, irregular work schedules, hard to meet in person, and solution, online coordination, WhatsApp or Discord, and Git for remote collaboration. Number 3, challenge for team coordination and for progress tracking, and solution weekly virtual meeting and clear to-do list. Challenge number 4, limited time to basis schedules, and solution prioritize MVP feature and work during free time, evening or weekday. Next slide. Conclusion. Based on the analysis coded, this digital library system is designed to overcome the weakness of the manual system by providing feature for registration, recording, borrowing, and return, and automatic finance calculation. With clear elimination, the system is fixed, improve library service, and make it easier for students to access book collection. The project has been successfully completed, fully stated, and proved to function properly. Further development can add optional features such as notification, online renewals, and book reservation. Thank you.
Okay, that is from our presented the project. The title is the digital library system. Before our uh, conclusion, in a sense, the application is designed to facilitate the digital library system. Thank you so much for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well,